Hello, it is Thursday and we will do today the second part of the advanced diver. Today we will do the performance buoyancy and also the enrich air nitrox. The enrich air nitrox is just mainly you have more oxygen in the bottle.
That will give you more time on the water. And now heading to the Burj Khalifa, the Dubai Mall and the aquarium. Let's see. For 400. Actually it is easier go when you go just to the coffee on the top or the atmosphere restaurant. Yeah, I didn't know that before, just met someone who told me that. Besides that, the aquarium is open, you can just go in the mall, you see the aquarium, you don't need to pay additionally. All hours will be a fountain show with music, then I will also enjoy that one. People, I just found one of the information desk and look at this is me, this little small dot. Now I just walked here to here, also from here to here, and it took me almost 10 minutes. So I don't want to know how it takes to cover all these areas. And don't forget the 4 floors that they have. So actually, oh yeah, it's just only 2 floors. Yes, this will be crazy to walk through this. So let's start somewhere. Made it short and easy. The food court is just insane. It covers about 30-40 restaurants, but also fast food courts. So when you go there, you will have for sure something good to eat. And sun goes slowly down, which is time for me that I need to eat something. Then I will go to the fountain and watch the water show. After a whole day journey, I also got now to the fountain, which is directly next to the Burj Khalifa. Now the 148th floor, and as you can see in the night it's a bit mirroring, so be patient, look for a pillar as I have done here in the back, and then you can still make some great shots, because here you have all this in the Sky Lounge: drinks, tea, coffee, rice juice, water and besides that you have some snacks like baklava. There is also a possibility to go out and walk on the beach side. I'm now arrived in the glow garden, or a garden really random stuff like this. So actually I'm standing upside down.